Hey my people, today we are going to be teaching you words in Igbo language that start with A and CH. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, share and turn on your notification bell so that you can get notified when we update our channel with new videos.
Bịa,
Come,
bee,
cut,
bee akwa,
cry,
bioma,
hug or embrace,
buru,
carry,
bull,
is
as in he is, she is, it is, Igbo.
he.
Now we are going to learn words that start with chi or that have chi anywhere. Chi, Chineke,
God.
Chima,
God knows.
Chukwudi,
God is present.
Chukwuma,
God knows.
Chukwu,
God.
Che,
Think.
echiche,
Thoughts.
chọrọ,
Want.
as in I want, achọrọ m, chọrọ okwu,
Looked for trouble.
Chika,
God is greater.
ọchị,
Laughter.
achị,
Soup thickener.
a type of soup thickener. Chiedozie,
God has settled it.
Chinyere,
God gave.
Chidimma,
God is good.
Chọmma, correct, Chọmma,
Decorate.
chọtara,
Looked for or searched for.
chọọ, the same as chọtara,
Looked for or searched for.
chọghị,
Don't want.
chịkọọ,
Gather.
chere,
Wait.
chịkọ dị n'aka,
God is in God's hand.
chilie,
Raise.
chinchi,
A bedbug.
uche,
Thought.
abacha,
African salad.
ọkọchị,
Dry season.
chi ọsọ.
Chase after. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Share and also turn on your notification bell.
Ọrụ onwe gị aka.